everybody, Malachi Foster here, and I have slime. So I'm gonna open this. Oh, cool. I actually got this from Dollar General. It was like $1, and it's not actually like hello. It was a little dinosaur in there. It has so much slime. This one, I don't know. I haven't stretched it yet, so it didn't come in like a box. It came in just this. I don't know why. It's a Politosaurus. It says it. I don't know what a Politosaurus is. So yeah, this is the Politosaurus. This is the slime. This is the slime, and hold up. No, actually, this one is so cool. I might actually set you guys right here so you can see me poke it. Yeah, this is my room. It's dirty. It's actually a cool color, and actually a very cool color, and so cool. I'm gonna just show you guys and I'm gonna play with it. So yeah, bye guys.